In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MYOB in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your business's accounting processes, MYOB might be the perfect tool for you. So let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. You'll want to head straight to the MYOB website. This is where you'll find all the options available to kickstart your accounting journey. MYOB offers various plans tailored to different business needs, whether you're running a small business or managing more complex finances. Now you can choose between a free plan or a paid one, depending on what suits your business best and the features you require. Once you've picked a plan that's just right for you, it's time to enter some essential information. Make sure you have your email address handy, as you'll need it for the registration process. Following that, provide your full name, your contact phone number, and the name of your business. This information helps in creating an account personalized for your business needs, ensuring that everything is neatly organized from the get-go. After that, it's time to create a password. Choose one that's strong and secure, something you can remember but difficult for others to guess. Keep an eye on the website's password requirements, as these will usually prompt you to include a mix of numbers, symbols, and both upper and lower case letters to ensure your account is well protected. Now, you will be asked to input your payment details. This step is necessary if you've opted for a paid plan. MYOB requires your credit card information to activate the service and ensure a smooth transition without any service interruptions. Remember to review the billing cycle, and perhaps set a reminder for when fees are due to avoid any surprises later on. It's worth noting that some plans might offer a trial period, so keep an eye out for such opportunities to explore the features without immediate commitments. And just like that, you're ready to get started with MYOB. With your account now set up, you can begin exploring its myriad features designed to simplify your financial tasks. From tracking expenses and generating invoices to automating payrolls, MYOB provides tools that can save you time and reduce the hassle of manual accounting. Congratulations, you've just taken the first step towards better financial management, all in under 5 minutes. Remember, getting familiar with all the functionalities might take some time, so don't hesitate to explore tutorials, guides, and support offered by MYOB to make the most out of your experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy the enhanced efficiency MYOB will bring to your business.